Are you in Africa or part of the diaspora in Canada, USA, Europe, and beyond, and you've been thinking of starting your sourcing business from China? This message is for you. Yes, you. I keep hearing this from you so many times, like, I want to start my sourcing business from China, but I don't know where to start. Honestly, I hear you, and I know that fear you have is very valid, because right now there are so many sourcing agents out there, and it's very hard for you to know who's real and who's there to get your money and then just ghost you and disappear. And that's exactly why I'm hosting this completely free masterclass starting August 1st, where I'm going to walk you through step by step, exactly how to source from China the right way, safely, confidently, no scams, no guesswork. And if you want in, join our community somewhere on the link provided in this video. And that's exactly where I'll be dropping details before we go live. So join our community and let's get you started the right way.